Balancing paid and organic search strategy for optimum success. SEO and PPC are the must-have in your arsenal when planning your marketing strategy. Depending on what are you looking to do and to do, most companies tend to choose one over the other. If they are looking to increase their ranking and get traffic from organic search, then they will go with SEO, whereas PPC focus on getting instant paid for traffic for such areas as social and display. Both SEO and PPC are great tools to boost your site brand's authority as well as help generate more traffic and sales for your business. But these two teams channels tend to work on their own souls and you often handle separately. No, while both of these options can and do work well on their own, having both terms work together can be a powerful strategy for any business. Instead of working apart and potentially fighting for budget and time, resources, and ranking, by bringing both departments together today that you are collaborate and work as one, they will benefit from different insight and learning that they would otherwise not get on. These insight will allow them to produce can be amazing result in both companies. In both companies, these two marketing channels are not meant to opportunity independent, yet that is the case almost every single time. But instead of looking at both channels as separate entity and you bring them together, you shall see that they can help you achieve better result across the board than having them work on their own. The data and insight that you can get from PPC companies is extremely insightful and powerful. When you take the data and company into your can assist strategy, it will give you insight that you can use to create content that will make a big difference on your organic search traffic. Balancing organic and paid search strategy for optimum success is a key challenge, and lot of business need to catch up as they are typical only using one of these strategy. How SEO and PPC can work together to boost your business. Along with large amount of keyword and conservations, challenge to capture the user who might be look from your brand or something that your brand has to offer. For example, let's say you are running PPC and SEO company separately, and a user does a search and your and appears, but if the skip over it and go right to the organic listing, but you are not showing up your particular search, you are potentially missing out and capturing the users and so on. So now if you are using both PPC and SEO together and you uses your PPC data to gather inside as to what your user, what are you searching from, where your ads are showing but not your organic listing, you can then